The Beginner's Guide to Influencer Marketing on Instagram. If you're familiar with digital marketing, there's no doubt that you're familiar with influencer marketing. And if you're planning to start working with influencers this year, Instagram is a great place to start. This post will help you understand how exactly you can leverage your influencer marketing efforts on Instagram, and how you can execute your very first campaign on the platform. Why brands need Instagram as part of their influencer marketing strategy. Instagram is a fan favorite amongst both consumers and influencers. Ranking 6th by the number of active users at 1 billion, Instagram is a top contender among the likes of its parent company Facebook, as well as YouTube and WeChat. 6 Instagram features to know before launching your Instagram influencer marketing strategy. Profile, feed, captions and hashtags, stories, video, shopping. One pro tip: use your brand's style guide for general direction, and don't be afraid to test out new types of content or messaging. Play around with the subject, lighting, filters, and other related elements of your photos to establish your brand's visual style. How to get started with influencer marketing. Identify your main goal for influencer marketing. In order to have a successful influencer marketing campaign, you need to identify the main goal that you want to achieve from the program. Define a suitable influencer profile. Discovering potential influencers. Providing rewards for the influencer. Measuring results. How to become an Instagram influencer. Pick a niche. Get an Instagram business account. Write an effective Instagram bio. Focus on your Instagram aesthetic. Write captions that reflect your brand's voice and personality. Choose the right hashtags. Post new content often. Interact with followers. How many followers do you need to be an influencer on Instagram? Any person with 1,000 to 5,000 followers on their social media account can be called as a nano-influencer. How many followers do you need to make money on Instagram? Accounts with between 10,000 and 100,000 followers can make around $200 per post on average. Top-tier influencers. Accounts with between 100,000 and 1 million followers can expect to make about $670 per post. How do I monetize my Instagram? Sell affiliate products. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to monetize Instagram in 2020. Create sponsored content. There are brands out there dying to connect with you. Sell your own products. Video product placements. Teach what you know. Launch a video streaming service. The Beginner's Guide to Instagram Influencer Marketing Basics. As a beginner in the world of Instagram influencer marketing, be sure to equip yourself with the best resources in order to help develop an effective, long-term Instagram influencer marketing strategy. Knowing how to do influencer marketing on Instagram takes practice, and that means starting with the Instagram influencer marketing basics so that your brand builds a solid foundation for many Instagram influencer marketing campaigns to come. Thanks for being with us. Hit a like if found anything valuable in this video. Please comment down below for any suggestions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And finally, thanks for watching.